This conference will now be recorded.
Hey guys, happy evening for all. Hello guys, we'll be starting a business card design today in the Coral Draw. We'll be starting a business card today. We'll design a business card, and after that I'll tell you some of few points or some of about shape tool. This will be your Coral Draw work area, and here you're gonna take new document for business card design. Everybody knows what is a business card, right? I guess, I hope everybody knows that what is business card, and we'll be designing that today. Answer no, guys. Everybody knows that, no? Hello, are you there, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, take a look at this. When we click on the new document in the CorelDRAW workspace, we'll be getting this options, and we need to arrange how much ever the business card we want. And guys, for business card the default size of the business card is 3.5 to 2 inches. It is the default size of the business card, and here we will have the options here, and we can set the business card here. See, when you click on a new document, you can, you'll be having a create a new document. You'll be having a options like this, and in that you are going for a size, And in size, you'll if you click on a drop button there, and you'll get business card there. Here you'll be having a business card. If you click on that, defaultly it will take width 3.5 and height is 2.0 inches, and that too in a landscape. And normally for business cards and all, we use the color mode CMYK, and CMYK is permanently used for vector based work. And remember that. And page is 1, and the resolution, and I guess everybody knows about the resolution, and we'll take around 300 for resolution here. And we can name here. Here we'll be having a option called name, and we can set a name as business card. And after giving a name, you can just click on OK, and you'll get this page of business card. You can set up business card like this, and you can create a business card like this. And default size of the business card is 3.5 and 2 inches. Width is 3.5 and height is 2 inches. Remember that. And it is important when you are doing for a business cards, and you need to do only that particular inches only, that particular measurements only. And after taking this page like this, and go to square shape here, rectangular tool, and take a rectangular tool and draw from the corner. Drag it from the corner like this till end, like this. Guys, everybody can see my screen, right? Are you able to see? Hello? And draw like this. In the work area, you'll be having a page which you have created. In that, you'll be drawing like this. And yesterday we did gradient tool and drop shadow, and we did Instagram logo also yesterday. And we did about mandala art also, and we done with that. And today we are using some gradient also here for business cards. And remember that for a professional things, either it is a poster or a brochure or a business cards or anything, professionals use only 2 to 3 colors, max to max. And fonts also 2 to 3, they use only those which they have taken first, that only they'll continue with till end. Okay, max to max they'll use only 2 to 3. Remember that, guys, it's important. And after taking rectangular tool like this, and you can give a color to it. I'll give black and yellow. First I'll give a black color here like this. And next I'm going to clicking the pick tool, and I'll click out. I'm deselecting it. And after that, yesterday I told you about the pen tool. If you left click on your mouse, you'll be getting this option in the freehand tool. And there you'll be having a pen tool option. Pen tool option you can see here. So take that, and whatever the design you want you can draw there. And max to max they use only 2 to 3 colors, don't use much, it looks odd. So take a look at here. At the center I'm dragging a pen tool like this, and if it's going up, just control plus minus, zoom, zoom out, and after that what you'll do, see, just drag it like this. Just you need to have a curve shape like this. After that you'll be getting these two lines, cut it off with the clicking of alt button and in your mouse, and put there, and reach the end point only, and you'll be getting this option